Good morning everyone. Good morning sir. I'm Catriona Gallardo. So, continuation lang po ng report po namin, which is assessment rubric for the portfolio. So, meron po dito nakaano na parts of the portfolio plan, meeting the initially the expectation, near the expectation, meeting the expectations, and going beyond the expectation. So, next naman remark. What to do if not yet successful? What to do is next successful? So, meron continuation po sa number 4 po is analysis and reporting of assessment result. So, sa bahagi naman na ito is ang analysis and reporting assessment is tinitignan kung paano naiintindihan ng students ang kanyang performance task. Sa mababang level daw po is hindi daw po clear yung guide. And then sa gitnang level naman daw po is meron siyang guide pero kailangan pa ng tulong ng teacher. And then sa mataas na level daw po is malinaw na at may sariling analysis na ang students. Kumbaga, yung analysis niya sa kabuuan habang sa mataas daw na level is mas nagiging malinaw at kompleto at mataas yung kalidad na ginagawa niyang portfolio ng students. So, sa number 5 daw po is criteria, other criteria, please specify using level performance. So, sa criteria, so di ba alam naman natin yung criteria is, ito yung ginagamit ni teacher para mag-grade sa mga student. For example, is meron siyang pinagawang performance task, is ayun, may criteria ang ibibigay si teacher para mas maano ng mga students yung performance task na gagawin nila. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.